Hi guys, I'm just making a quick video of what to expect if you find yourself in a place where you want to put some different wheels on your Jeep or any other vehicle, but in this case it's a Jeep TJ 98 Wrangler Sport, and the original wheels that I had on it were these, and what they are is 5 by 4.5, and I got these used, and they're 5 by 5. So here's what to expect with the adapter. And this one is a T6 wheel adapter. I just got off Amazon for 80 bucks. So here I'm putting it on. These will go on the original bolts. And then you do need to save your lug nuts, and they will go on those. So I'll be right back. Alright, and there you have it, the finished product. It does say to check the clearance before lowering it. I did that. I also had to tighten the inner bolts to 30 foot-pounds, so you need a torque wrench to do that. It does say not to use an impact wrench, so I didn't use an impact wrench, but looks really good, in my opinion. Got 3 more to do now. Alright guys, one more thing. With the back brakes, they're obviously drum, and it is very tight around here, so you might have to use a little force, and I had to use a rubber mallet to get it on, and then tighten the lug nuts, or these nuts, in a star pattern, meaning here, 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 and then do it again. Had to do it about 4 times to get it all the way flush, and then torquing it down to the 30 foot-pounds. And also on the front, somebody had asked me how I got the front wheel to stop turning. Well, this is a four-wheel drive. I mean, it's not all-wheel drive, it's four-wheel drive, so just put it in four-wheel drive and the transmission will stop it. That's it. Have a good one.